Trish, and this is Fold of the Week, a show where I share powerful print marketing ideas to help you achieve success on any budget. Well, this week we're talking about asymmetry as a creative tool for format modification, and to explore this concept, we'll focus on the asymmetrical accordion. I have 3 designs to show you, so let's take a closer look. First up is a very cool announcement for a designer clothing collaboration at Target. There are some nice details worked into this mailer, including a custom envelope and embossing and register where the dot pattern is, which gives it texture and interest beyond just the creative folding on this design. Such a clever reveal of the models and a nice color blocking on the back as well. Great design. This next design features more of a half-and-half proportion for the accordion panels, using a fun concept about networking opportunities at an annual open house event for a large printer in Toronto. They used creative illustrations and a simple black, white, and tan color palette for a modern design that created a lot of buzz and attendance for their event. Lastly, here's a great design for a 2-day garden festival. The envelope was printed digitally and the invitation was printed offset on a 6-color Peabody Press. I really like that they were able to create a beautiful design that fits into a standard number 10 envelope. They were able to separate the event information into the short panels and have lots of room for a large photo on the long panel. I also love the garden pattern they printed on the back. Aren't these cool? And they're all really just accordion folds designed with a long trailing panel, which means that the last panel that comes out of the folding machine is longer than the rest, and it's not complicated technically, so the production difficulty and make-ready time of an asymmetrical accordion is generally not going to increase unless you push the extremes of the folding equipment. You also probably noticed that all 3 designs had envelopes. This format can't self-mail. I don't know about you, but I'm totally okay with that. A very special thanks to the creators of the samples featured in this episode for sharing their solutions with us. If you've ever been inspired by something you've seen on the show, please consider folding it forward and sharing your work too. If you're looking for more ideas, downloads, and templates, visit foldfactory.com, and remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.